Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade firmware in a Eurotherm 6000 series recorder. So what I do is I go to the Eurotherm website, which is eurotherm.com. If I go to my products and then graphical recorders, we're going to be upgrading a 6100A. So click on that product, go to downloads, and then under software, scroll down and find 6000 series product firmware v.513. So when I do that, it should begin downloading. Right up here, we're downloading. That is now complete. And you want to put this on a jump drive. So in this case, I've taken that downloaded zip file and I've put it down into my E drive. So you can see down here, here's my firmware. There we go. So we're going to double click on the firmware and we're going to double click on the executable file. It's going to ask me about do you want to extract the 6000 series firmware? The destination folder in my computer, it pops up as the C drive. I want to make that my E drive. And now we're going to take this E drive out and we'll put it into the recorder. Okay, we're at the recorder now. So this is the 6100A. The 6180A would be exactly the same procedure. So first thing we're going to do is open this door here. And we are going to install our USB card. Now the USB card, one thing that's missed quite frequently is that card has to be 8 gigabytes or less. If you put in a 64 gig, it's not going to work. So 8 gig or less. So the next thing is we're going to come up here to the upper left-hand corner and we are going to log in as engineer. And you'll need to enter your password here. And yours will likely be different than mine. So engineer mode. Over here in our menu, we're going to go to operator. And then we're going to go into system upgrade. So you'll have to kind of pay attention. It says source files from. In our case, we want to do it from local media since we just installed the card. Then we're going to hit upgrade. And we want to go from the USB front, which is where I put my card, and we're going to drop down into that. And there's that temp folder we created. So we're going to highlight that, drop into that, and there's our upgrade module. So we're going to highlight that, and we're going to open it. So don't panic here. This takes a few minutes. I'm guessing the better part of 4 to 5 minutes. So do not remove the power during the upgrade. And it says validating firmware for upgrading. And during this process, the recording is suspended. So I'm going to let it run through this, but it's going to be 4 to 5 minutes. So we'll be back when it goes back into reboot. Okay, we're back, and the 6000 series is rebooting here. So I'd say this probably took about 5 minutes. So again, don't panic if things seem to be moving slow. Just be patient. Go grab yourself a little cup of coffee or something. And then you get a message. Firmware upgrade to version 5.13 from USB front was successful. So we are done. We're going to hit OK, And you can see when it boots back up, we're logged out again. But yeah, that's how you upgrade the firmware in one of our recorders. Thanks for your time, and hope you find this helpful. Bye.